مصطفى هذا انترا مالك ترى.
ايوه سامر. ايوه سامر.
يلا.
So yeah, I'm actually fighting this shift knob.
Okay.
I don't know why this guy installed a short shifter when it's actually short. But anyways, I have to take it off. I don't know why it's stuck actually. Anyways, how is everything? I hope everything goes well. Yeah, I came back from work and I'm tired and I'm doing this job.
You're having fun though, no?
No, I'm not having fun. I'm actually suffering. No, sorry. Keep it here. Anyways, so I guess we are done from inside. We have to go underneath the car.
Right.
And dude, I'm sweating. I'm sweating. Brother, I'm shining blue.
خلاص.
Blue.
برابر جوي. عاد يا غازل.
خذ راحتك تحت. إذا ما عقبت أحواضك.
What happened?
Shut. Okay. هذا ما قاعد تصور انت. انا اقول مو ذا الفلاش فجأة جايني. المهم this is for draining the oil. Alright, so I would like to request for someone to
Bring that bucket. Okay.
but not now, not at this time, because we need to remove some things from the above, like some harnesses, some few bolts, brackets, and I guess that's about it for now. That's what I will be talking about.
Drive shaft.
Huh?
Shaft.
Leave it away. We don't need that shaft.
خلاص.
Anyways, Saad, can you pass me that ratchet underneath the car, please? Oh.
Relax.
I'm excited. We've got some cats here. Ow! Tali. She's scared. She knows I'm working. She doesn't want to come. Yep. We need to remove the starter now, as of now. So most of the bolts are already disconnected. So we'll take the starter off. It's already here. I already loosened the bolt. And just give it a weight support so I can work with my hand. No? Okay. So what do you gotta say, Sohail, for the viewers? What do you gotta say?
Nothing.
Why? Gotta say something.
Trying to help you out.
Atta boy. I mean, that's my guy. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm trying to talk about this clutch right here. Anyways, so this is the clutch. I forgot that I'm holding the mic. This is the clutch that we're actually using for multiple cars now. And this would be the wait. एक दो तीन चार एक दो तीन चार. Yeah, this is the punch. This is the fifth car. Anyway, this is the fifth car. Now we're installing this clutch. All right, and as well as with the VERUS Engineering upgraded fork. These this is actually a forged material, which is much more better from the OEM. And the reason we are installing this, so he would not have any issues with whenever he's changing the gears. You know, whenever you're upgrading your clutch, you should upgrade the fork as well. And I know that the camera is pointing at my nose or something. I know that. Anyways, so this is the ultimate clutch that we're using right now. Like price-wise, it's very nice. It's very good. Actually, the price is decent with the shipping and everything. And the weight of the whole kit is almost the same as the weight of the OEM flywheel alone. So this is one of the greatest factor, because this is the lightweight spec. As you can see here, this is the lightweight spec. This is the standard spec. There is no holes like these. So one more thing that you should know, that we could not loosen any of these bolts at all, because if we loosen this, we damage the whole kit. So this is what we're actually using right now. So we'll dismantle it, disassemble it, install the flywheel, then we'll align everything up, install everything, torque it to spec. But first we need to remove the OEM clutch and the flywheel. As you can see, let me hold the phone first. Here's the recorder for today. Anyways, so I don't know if it's visible, but no, it's not visible because there's no light here. We need to remove the clutch. Thank you. We need to remove the clutch and everything. This fell down, the clutch engage. Yeah, so we've got less to do, and then we will install the transmission back on its location and fill it up with our oil.
Trusted.
This is the trusted oil. I will explain to you the reason. So in the manual, it says that we should use the 75 W90 GL3. GL. You know what GL means? You know what GL means?
Yeah, it's a Mercedes.
No. It's a grade of this transmission fluid. Sorry. Anyways, so so yeah, as I've said, in the manual it says that we should install the GL3 transmission oil, but this is very difficult to find. So the closest thing is the GL4, and we cannot use the GL4/5 because that is already filled with additives, and that additives would destroy your synchros. So I guess, yeah, we have our friend here. Meow meow. Meow meow. Alright guys, so now that we've installed, mic okay, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Come on man, come on. I'm shining here from all the sweats. Anyways, so we've installed the, what was it? So we've already installed the flywheel. We torqued it into
85 Newton meter.
yeah, 85 Newton meters. That's all. Anyways, so now we will be installing the disc and pressure plate, and we'll also throw in the transmission as well. tight everything up. Anyways, that worked perfectly. Anyways, so we will do this now. That guy is sleeping. Oh, Ali. Good morning. Okay, he's tired. Ali. 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 Enough. We're wasting some time. Let's get back to work.
Alright, you guys, as you can see, we've already installed the clutch, the whole kit. It's already talked to the specifics, and as I've said, the flywheel bolts is only 85 Newton meter, and for the pressure plate they're running 39.2. so we've torqued that down already. Now we will install the transmission back again in its location with the upgraded fork and that billet release bearing that came with the kit. We will fill it up with the fluids, install everything back, and yep.
Alright guys, so now that we've finished installing the clutch kit, as I've said, I'll give you just a quick detail. I've placed this here so I won't make the car dirty from my clothes, and when we're depressing the clutch, I don't know if it's very possible to hear or not, but sounds like this. I hope it's visible. Anyways, when engaging the clutch, so it actually grips very nicely. And it's not that heavy. It's you can say 25% heavier than OEM. So yeah, I guess that's about it. So everything is set. We've done. Everything is set. We've done. Completed the work. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next episodes.